Hey everybody, I just wanted to share something with you that I think is really important and it's very powerful. And most importantly, it's going to help you protect your rights. I've talked about this in the past, but one of the things that insurance companies are doing these days is trying to get you to go to a specific repair facility. It's called a DRP program, direct repair program. They want you to do this because it's going to save them a bunch of money on the claim, not get a quality repair for you. So here's a reminder. Keep in mind that first off, if they try and send you to a specific shop, that's against the law. That's right, it's a federal offense. It's called steering, and that's against the law. But that doesn't stop them from doing it. But we found a tactic that will help you when you run into this kind of a challenge. By law, you have the right to take your vehicle wherever you want to get it fixed. So when an insurance company representative is trying to tell you to go to a specific shop, just ask them that, or let them know rather, that you're going to record the conversation. We found that once you start recording the conversation, they stop talking. I have found the same thing is true with insurance adjusters when they're trying to price fix and do some of the other silly things that they do. So if you want to protect your rights, when they're trying to steer you to a specific shop, remember they're after the cheapest price for them, not a quality repair for you. And you can simply stop this by recording the conversation, and I guarantee you'll be amazed at how quick they change their tune. And they're not whistling a happy tune after that. Thanks and have a great week and be safe.